Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we would really appreciate if you could take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We are in process of creating new and exciting contents which will be exclusively made for birds. This video is all about how to DIY your own perch for birds. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before we see how to DIY perch, a very important note that we would like to share on is please make sure and please make it as your daily routine to clean the cage and change the water. Birds are actually very sensitive to an untidy environment, especially pet birds. When you practice cleaning it on daily basis, you can do it quickly and efficiently. So what is a perch? Perch is nothing but a typical branch or horizontal bar on which a bird alights. This particular perch which you could see in the video is a natural wooden twig taken from a guava tree. If you have a dry brown perch, it's well and good. But just in case if you have a green colored undried perch, do not stress out. You can easily dry them out in direct sunlight for 10 to 15 days. It is very important to give your bird a biodiversity environment. They consider that to be more desirable. Adding in plenty of natural essentials will not only make your bird happier, they will be more healthier. When you go for natural woods and twigs, obviously they will have some sharp spines and edges. That is why it is very important to blunt them and smoothen them. This equipment is particularly used to smoothen the stripes of wood and sharp edges. Sandpaper can also be used instead of this appliance. Let's see the steps to fix this in the cage. Actually, it's a 3 to 4 step process. It's very easy. If you are a kid, please don't hesitate to take the help of an adult. Take the bigger side of the perch and drill out a hole. Behead the bolt, fix it inside the already drilled hole. Be cautious while drilling the hole. Add up 2 washers and wing nets. Let's see how to fix this in the cage. One washer has to be slipped inside while the other on the outside. Screw them and tighten them up. and now our natural perch is ready to use. Birds are the biggest explorer in the world. They explore nature with fun. You can see how happily our cockatiel traversing his new perch. Natural woods are not toxic, and we need not worry about our feathered friends from being toxicated. Perches can be made depending on the size of your bird, and it can be fixed inside as well as outside the cage. As said earlier, giving them a proper and nature's atmosphere is extremely predominant. Practice them a healthy eating diet and give them a proper and nature's atmosphere and embrace their growth. And that's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video. Until then, it's a big bye-bye from the entire team.